So in these problems today and tomorrow, we're going to look at area and surface area. Today we're looking at area and surface area that involves rectangles. You've been doing the area in rectangles. You've been doing that forever. You did that in 5th grade, and I am sure you are all really good at it. I just want to make sure that we're reviewing what we know. So if I have the length and the width, I know that the area is going to be the length times the width. Okay, so what if we change that shape a little bit? What if we kind of, just give it a shove over, okay? Now we have a length and a width, okay? But really, the area of a parallelogram changes just a little bit. This length is really also, we could call it the base. It's the bottom that the rectangle sits on, and the width is actually the height. And so we're really multiplying the base times the height. And in a parallelogram, this is the height. So this is the height, and this is the base. So even though we may have a number out here, a measurement, okay, that is the width, we are not using that. We are not using that because we are multiplying the base times the height. So just a little review there. And really, the formula for all rectangles is area equals base times height. That makes it, if you remember it that way, kind of clears up if you kind of push the shapes over to the side and need a height there. It also will help tomorrow in triangles. The other thing I want to go over would be the surface area. So in your problem tonight or today in the homework, you're going to find the surface area of a 3-dimensional rectangular prism. So I'm going to, kind of fill this out here. So we got a box. So I'm not going to use the numbers that are in the problem, but I'm going to use something so that you can use what I'm doing as a model. So I would have here, say, let's make this 3 inches and 4 inches and 8 inches. Okay, so now I'm looking at the sides. So this right here is 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Okay, this one here is, it's still got the 8, but it's 4 by 8. Okay, up here I have this, which is 3, and this, which is 4. So I have 4 by 3. So I have a top that is 3 by 4. And I have a front, which is 3 by 8. And I have a side that is 4 by 8. But, I don't have all of the figure. That's just 3 sides. And we know that a rectangular prism has 6 sides. So I have a top, and then I have a bottom. And I have a front, and then I have a back. And by golly, I got 2 sides. So I would have to take these problems, and multiply each times 2. So I would have times 2 and times 2. And then I would find my answer. And I can use a calculator. So I would have 12 times 2, and 24 times 2, and 32 times 2. And then I would multiply that and add them up. And that the total would be my surface area. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, I feel like that might be enough to get you through these 5 problems.